We're really thrilled to be IPSY's latest icons.
We are very excited to introduce the ICONBOX with Sara Foster and Erin Foster.
Why can't it be the ICONBOX with Erin Foster and Sara Foster?
I think it just sounds better with my name first, you know? The ICONBOX with Sara Foster and Erin Foster, featuring some of our favorite, beauty pics.
I mean, you're older.
I'm
Your name should come first.
I'm barely older than you. I'm saying the one with, just like a little more star power.
Right. Or maybe the one with more talent should come first. I mean, I created a Netflix show that has a 94% rating on Rotten Tomatoes. So.
I mean, other people were also part of that.
All right. Well, I think there's only one way to settle this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Guess that settles it.
Mm-hmm.
So go to IPSY.com and sign up for the ICONBOX with Erin Foster.
And Sara Foster.
Yes.
And bonus points if you shop our new perfumes. So even if you're not a favorite daughter, at least you can smell like one.
I don't think that should be our tagline.
Didn't sound right as I was saying it.
Go before it sells out.